The resource person, Sir Roshan, explained really well about CRZ, which was very informative. We got to know lot of things about the regulations and what we can do, like the locals, for benefits of local, how they can repair. So we didn't knew that. We can't build new things, but we can repair. No, so about that we got to know.
2019 doesn't have section 5
Of CRZ.
That was most important, I think.
Yeah,
That is been cancelled in 2019 act. So it should be included, that section 5 of CRZ in Goa.
Having people with like minds and interest and enthusiasm to save Goa, to learn more about it, and these people have taken a step further, not only to simply say save and put posters etc. They are actually learning laws of the land, and these are important because they will be making people aware of, especially what we spoke today is the CRZ notification. So they have learned many things contrary to what people talk normally.
Superb. Actually, I have been like working with the people, communities from the different villages in Goa, and I'm been coming across the different issues of the people with respect to the CZR and GCZMA. They always complain about like this area has been taken over, this area has been grabbed, this area has been marked. So many people are facing lot of issues, and I was unable to explain them. But today with this session, at least tomorrow I can help them with at least complaining, or say whenever they want to complain against their land or reclaiming their land. So this session was really helpful.
And that is important because when we go and we listen to people within the coastal areas, they say so many things that we cannot do this, we cannot do that, and that ends up into illegalities and a mess on these coastal beaches, which actually are permitted in the notification. And that's what they learned today. They've learned on sustainability, they've learned so many things that they are waiting to go and actually experience in Goa.
I've come here to basically understand and develop my skills and basically learn a lot about the environment and how to sustain it. And my experience so far has been good because it's really productive and really informative. And yeah, I'm looking forward for the future programs that are going to be held. And I would like to know a lot more so that I can basically develop my skills.
The youth of Goa are amazing, and that's why they are stepping forward to save Goa for themselves.
Today, the students who have come over here, the youths, they are the future of Goa tomorrow. So whatever the Roshan has said is true, that we have to save our Goa, and with looking at whatever Roshan has told us, definitely this will help them and help them protect their own villages and the entire Goa.
These issues are very common throughout India, basically. So we need to raise awareness among youth because they'll be the leader for our future. So absolutely, they'll be the person who will be guiding our next generation.
So it was lovely, it was nice, and I'm happy that we have added to the list of warriors in Goa, and that makes me happy.